So 10th A section, today I'm going to discuss with you the combination of row span and call span attribute in one table, and also the role of border color light and border color dark attribute of table tag. Okay. So I'm giving here the title, call span. I'm closing the head tag over here. I'm giving the body background color as gray, right? Now I'm starting with the table tag and I'm giving the size of the border as 4. A 10th A, listen carefully. Sometimes when you get the question of table in exam, under the table, after the table, some instructions are given related to the question. Okay. There one line is written sometimes, size of the border is 4. And what students they do? They write like this. Size of the border doesn't mean you write border size. Attribute will remain border. Size means the thickness. You're not supposed to write size word along with the border. It will remain a border attribute only. Size just signifies that the thickness is 4. Okay. Border color I am giving purple. Okay. Width I am giving 250. Right. Now today I'm giving one new tag, caption. What is the role of caption tag? Caption tag is always written after table tag. Caption tag is used to specify a short descriptive title for the table. The title that you will give in the caption tag will appear just above the table. The caption that you will write after the opening tag of table of caption tag, it will appear just above the table. Okay. All right. I'm giving caption here. uh, result 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 is the caption which I'm giving here. Now this result caption will be displayed just above the table. Okay. Here I'm giving the first row tr, and my first row is the header row. Header row, denoted by th tag. Header row is automatically centrally aligned. Header row is automatically bold, right? Now what I want 3 columns in the table. The header row should span across 3 columns. The cell of the header row, the first cell of the header row should span across 3 columns, right? Now, when it will span across columns, the movement will be horizontal. When it will be spanning across 3 columns, the movement will be in horizontal direction. Just imagine the maths graph sheet. You might have done graphs in your lower classes. X-axis is horizontal, Y-axis is vertical. Imagine X-axis in your mind, horizontal direction. Similar is the movement in the case of call span. Your direction will be horizontal. The cells which you want to merge will span across columns in horizontal direction. How many cells I want to merge? I want to merge 3 cells. So my call span will be having value 3. Okay. I'm giving the result here. Student or 10th class That's sufficient. 10th class. Right? Here I close my first row. So my first row is the header row, and it is having the call span, 3 cells, and the data in the header row is 10th class. Now I'm giving the second row, and data is in center, TD, roll number, TD, name, TD, marks, and TR. I close the TR. Okay. Here I write TR again. TD, roll number 1, TD closes, TD, name, Ajay, TD closes, TD, 98 marks, TD closes, TR again. TR align equal to center, TD, roll number 2, Ashish, TD closes, TD 97 marks, and TD closes, and I close the TR. Okay. So here I close the table tag, and here I close the body tag, and finally I am closing HTML tag. Let us see the output. I have saved the table in documents with the name 10th A 23rd 4th 21.html. Right? Let us see the browser view. See the header row 10th class. It is spanning across 3 columns. And see the movement. It is in horizontal direction. Okay. Am I clear? This is caption. Can you see the shaded portion result? This is caption, just above the table. Totally clear? Yes, Khushi, Diksha, Kritika, Imani, Pushkar. Is the concept clear to everyone? Thumbs are not raised. Arsheen, Aditi Narula, Gurkirat. Concept is clear to all of you? Naina, 31 roll number, Naina. Jayaditya, Tanushka, 44 roll number. Your thumb is not raised. Harshdeep, Jot Saroop, Diksha Taneja. Okay, now I go on with the next concept today. Right now you are looking at the border. It is purple color. And see carefully, the border is surrounded on all the 4 sides of the table. The border is visible with the same color on all the 4 sides of the table. Right? Now see the change. Border color light equal to red. Border color dark equal to aqua. Border color light is one word, no space. Border color dark is one word, no space. If you people are giving space in the attribute's name, half mark will be deducted. No attribute inside any tag contains space. All attributes are one single word. Whatever the name may be, the name is just one single word. No space comes in any attribute's name inside any tag. So while writing your answers in the notebook or in the examination, be careful. You are not supposed to put space in between, right? Like suppose I'm writing here. See here what I'm writing. If any child in exam write like this, he or she has given this space in between, it will result in cancellation of half mark. Be very particular, be very careful with this, okay? Don't commit such mistakes. So now I have given two new attributes, border color light and border color dark. Now color of top and left side will remain same. Top border and the left border will remain same. Right border and the bottom border will remain same. You will see two colors. Same color for top and left, other color same for right and bottom. See carefully. Border color light, specifying or displaying the color for top and left side of the table. Color aqua, the light blue color aqua, for right side and the bottom side of the table. Right side and the bottom side of the table. Clear? So the red color signifies border color light. The aqua color signifies border color dark. Am I clear? So related to border, you have four attributes inside the table tag. Border, border color light, border color dark. Right? Am I clear? Now I have a question from the class. Whosoever knows, raise your hand. First you have to on your video, then you will raise your hand and I will unmute you. Tell me the name of some attributes which are common in table tag and image tag. Name some attributes which are common in table and image tag. Whosoever knows, raise your hand. I will unmute you. Common attributes between table and image tag. Yes, Aditya. Unmute yourself.
सर
Yes.
जैसे टेबल की सर जैसे टेबल की विड्थ होती है वैसे इमेज की भी विड्थ होती है, टेबल का साइज, इमेज का बैकग्राउंड.
What are you saying? Table का?
सर टेबल का बैकग्राउंड कलर.
Aditya, just name the attributes.
सर बीजी कलर.
BG color is not present in image tag.
सर बट इमेज का भी बैकग्राउंड होता है जिसमें कलर होता है उसका.
क्या बोल रहे हो आदित्य?
Good morning, sir. So the common attributes between image tag and table tag are border, width, align, and height.
Border, width, line, and height. Very correct. Four attributes are common between table and image tag. Very right. Very correct. Now coming back to the table. Now, right now you can see this table is having call span feature. Now I am showing both row span and call span. See here, Ajay student having marks 98. I want to assign 98 marks to both the students Ajay and Ashish. So the third cell of the third row, third cell of the third row will combine with the third cell of the fourth row. Okay. So what I am going to do, in the third cell of third row, I'll be writing row span attribute because I am going vertically down. 2. If third cell of the third row is combined with the third cell of the fourth row, the fourth row will be having just 2 cells. So I am eliminating this cell from here. All right. See, now this table has both call span as well as row span. Am I clear totally? Any doubt? All right. All right. The third cell of the third row, the student Ajay, his marks were 98. I want to assign the same marks to Ashish also. So third cell of the third row get vertically combined with the third cell of the fourth row. Third row is Ajay, fourth row is of Ashish. अजय के मार्क्स और आशीष के मार्क्स सेम हो गए. This cell, this is third row, which I have shaded in front of you. Marks of Ajay, the cell where marks of Ajay were written, the same cell get combined with the third cell of the last row. और आप देखो मूवमेंट, it is going vertically down. So this is row span. If the third cell of the fourth row is already combined, so the last row definitely will have 2 cells. Okay, clear? Now, see this row, roll number, name, and marks. I want to give background color to this particular row. So you can give BG color equal to yellow. BG color equal to yellow. Clear? Am I totally clear up till here? And this is your caption. This result is your caption. Clear?